case how to change who can comment on your Facebook public post. So first of all, if you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. If you use iPhone iOS devices, tap on menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. So basically tap on three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen or at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, once you're here, you have two options. So basically you can tap on the gear icon over here. If you not see the gear icon, you just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then proceed to settings. Alright, once you're here, you just tap on audience settings, default audience settings, and then tap on custom your current settings, and then tap on next over here. Once you here, you will see option who can comment on your public posts. Tap on it, and you can select only three options. Public, it means everyone can comment your Facebook public posts. Friends of friends can public your, and of course friends can comment your posts, and only friends can. So you just next to any of these options select one of these, for example friends, and then tap on save at the bottom right corner, and then again save, just tap on done at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on done again. Then go back and use your Facebook app.